Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I am here in Utah getting ready for a retreat with Country Craft Creations. They are having a Doodlebug pop-up shop in their store. All of these fabulous things that you see are available just in their store. You can't buy it online. So sorry if you're in places other than Utah. But if you're nearby, it would behoove you to come and check out all these fabulous Doodlebug projects. You know I love Doodlebug. I mean, how can you not love Doodlebug? I was lucky enough to be there when Doodlebug was setting up, and yes, I do have a pile of things that I've purchased, and I will be doing a haul video probably later on today, but I wanted to hurry up and give you the opportunity to check out all of the fabulous things. So these are one of the things I purchased. Of course, you know I love the Great Outdoors collection since I live and travel in my RV, and that allowed me to come and check out what's going on at a retreat. If you've never been to a Country Craft Creations retreat, you need to go to the website and look up and see when the next ones are. I think they're all sold out, but if you are on their Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations Facebook group, then you will find out when the next retreats are. And by the way, there are fabulous designers that give free tutorials, and maybe you'll see something done with some of this paper. I'm looking at all this cute paper with you. I mean, this is chock full. There is 10 feet. Look at that dog. Isn't he the cutest? I love this paper line. There was the girl birthday and then the boy birthday. These were some of the value packs. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is the shadow box kit. So they have the shadow box, they have the shadow box insert kit, they have the sample so you can see what it looks like. I'll show you the sample in just a second, but look at all these. I had no idea they had so many different shadow box kits. Did we pass the Great Outdoors one? If we didn't, I might stop and look at it a little bit longer. Oh, I think it's in the inspiration, so just hang on. We will look at it. See, look at this cute stuff. See, those are all the I love this one, the fall one. I don't think I show you the Great Outdoors, but if you purchase $100 of Doodlebug, then you get a free Doodlebug bag. It is fabulous. These are adorable. Okay, I'm showing you more of the Doodle Pops. Yeah, we're back to that dog. I don't know if I got to show you all the details of these. If I'm going too fast, you know what you need to do? Get in the car and go check this stuff out. You need to go to Country Craft Creations anyhow, because not only is it a beautiful store, but there are such great people there. I've thoroughly enjoyed my time just hanging out in the store. I can't wait till the retreat starts. Love that. Oh, I love that sewing machine. Annette, that's for you. I'm going to show you in a second. Oh, probably there will be a still shot of the #1 selling Doodle Pop, which are sold out in so many other places. If you want it, you need to come here and get it. And I'll show you that in just a second, which one it is. All these great products. We're coming up to it. Well, two of them. And here we are, the airplane and the ship. These are like the hot items from Doodlebug right now. Oh, so this is a value bundle. Doodlebug was so kind to bring to Country Craft Creations some of these handmade bundles that have such great stuff. I really want one of each. So anyhow, I'm showing you a couple more still shots, and this is a warning. Hurry up, get in your car, and go to Country Craft Creations. It is Tuesday, April 30th, 2024. They open at 11 o'clock today. So why don't you hurry up and come check them out. And that is what I have for you today. Like I said, I will show you the my Doodlebug haul in the next video. So don't forget to like and subscribe this so you can see what I chose and what I'll be working with pretty soon. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.